I would think that it would fit with just about any type of manufacturing or distribution.
Really can't be doing the types of things that we do for aerospace customers, for medical device customers, without having an ERP system that has full traceability, full tracking.
One of the largest cable manufacturing houses, in North America.
It's a pretty new company. It's a startup.
We've got machine shops, welders.
Are kind of a weird in between because we do kit assemblies.
Little kits for hospitals.
Ranged operational irrigation system.
The sports manufacturing industry.
Contract manufacturer.
Medical manufacturers.
This is not a massive ERP system for a Fortune 500 company. This isn't software that slows you down with too many clicks. This isn't expensive or complicated. This is Cetec ERP, a one-stop shop web platform that is stupendously affordable and highly practical and will run any manufacturing company in totality, out of the box. It's been battle-tested over decades in numerous industries. It's nimble, powerful, lightweight, sexy. It layers features upon thousands of features you can switch on or off based on how you want to run your business. It contains depth and simplicity. It includes CRM, MRP, MES, ERP, quality management, supply chain, accounting and financials, workflows, barcode scanning, customization tools, document management, custom reporting, planning and scheduling, engineering, production, all in one, ready to rock.
That they want our success. They want us to move forward and to be able to take the next steps and those types of things. The connection, not only as a vendor or a support, but also as people. And that makes a lot of a difference when you're making a long-term relationships.
It's just totally different than any experience we've ever had in dealing with ERP companies.